So we're inside the car. This is the location where the brush is most effective. This is the dust finder. Before you use this brush, you make sure that you do your aspiration or vacuuming at the utmost highest level. So really spend some time getting rid of the dust inside of the seat. After that, use minimally a Tornador. If you don't have it, that's okay, but a Tornador will definitely increase the effectiveness of the product. Then after you have used the Tornador, just for the argument's sake, you smash the seat, you put a light against it and see how much dust is being released. You will see that because of the new types of fabric, the dust will still be trapped inside of the seat. And that's hence where this brush comes in, the dust finder. Now, before we explain how really to use this brush and how to use the Tornador, we have a special guest appearance from Mr. none other than less Franco Lazzarotti.
Hola guys!
Franco, we have two of these brushes. One is the white, one is the black. In which case do we use which one?
This is for fabric seat. Il lottone è morbidissimo.
Not dangerous.
La possiamo usare come una spazzola tradizionale.
Normal traditional brush movement.
Per pulire tutto il sedile se dovesse per caso rompersi la Tornador mentre stiamo facendo un lavoro fuori.
Ok.
Per il professionista abbiamo inserito la funzione Dust Finder. Cosa significa? Che una volta verificato quanta polvere ho sul mio sedile, il professionista può scegliere di usare glico.
So basically the amount of dust released through the dust finder will give you the indication of the dilution you want to use for glico. For many dust, it's going to be 1 to 5, a little dust 1 to 10.
Perché un appassionato può fare tutto il sedile così, ma un professionista dobbiamo dargli la possibilità di essere più veloce e di fare il lavoro nel minor tempo possibile, nel miglior risultato possibile.
Okay, so it saves you a lot of time figuring out the amount of dust inside of the seat, releasing it with the dust finder, and then adapting your chemical dilution to that exact problem that you will find in the seat. In any case, of course, my Dutch brain is already thinking ahead. What if you're on the road? You're mobile detailer, valeter, you don't have any compressed air, you don't have any strong blasting equipment to clean the seat. This is an excellent solution to get clean seats when you're mobile detailing and you do not have the access to these kinds of equipment like a compressor or a strong vacuum cleaner. This will definitely help you and get that same job and the same quality you were used to while using this brush. We saw that glico by itself, of course, is a fantastic product, but to extract the most amount of dust before we even start talking about chemicals, they designed this brush. Now what this brush does, because of these alloyed metal hairs, they are of course more sturdy than the nylon ones, and they have more capabilities of lifting the fabric and lifting the dust from the fabric. Now there's also a special technique, of course, to use this brush, because it's not only just going back and forth, no, it's trying to get it from the wrist and removing dust from the surface. So let's check up on a close-up and to see that after the standard operation, what we always do, the aspiration or the vacuuming in combination with the Tornador, either or, sometimes they Tornador first, then they do the vacuuming. It's fine by me, just you saw that I did it extensively, trying to release as much dirt and dust from the surface as possible. Now let's see if the dust finder inside of the carpet can find something that I did not clean with the traditional method. So the brushes have been made by a special alloy. It's been researched thoroughly to give you a very sturdy but rigid brush that is safe for delicate surfaces. Same goes for the carpet version. More sturdy alloy hairs, still safe to use. Now in comparisons to what you might know, these are not the brushes to be used on carpet. The same as this one. You can see it immediately damages my skin. Different types of alloys, not suitable for carpet, because these two have been researched thoroughly to give you the safest but sturdiest way to remove dust from your seats and carpet. And a small spoiler from what's coming up, a multi-purpose material and a leather brush. And what those two do and how they work, we will show you in the near future.
Labo. Labocosmetica.